Welcome back to the next session, that is clampers. So already students, we have discussed clippers. Today we are going to discuss about clampers. Clampers is nothing but uh, to here. This is also we are going to discuss with diode. Only thing is here it will be some AC signal will be sorry, DC signal will be inserted with the AC signal. Okay, so some amount of DC signal will be added with your AC signal to introduce an additional shift. Okay, so how we are going to introduce the additional shift means here we are going to include the capacitor. Okay, so the capacitor will charge some amount of energy that will be added with your AC signal, and you will get the output. Okay, so the some amount of the signal will be shifted either in the positive side or in the negative side. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of the clamper. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of the clamper. So here we are having two types of clamper circuit, negative clamper and positive clamper. Okay, we are having two types of circuit, negative clamper and positive clamper. Now we are going to discuss here the clamper circuit. So this is also very easy session. So now we are going to discuss your negative clamping. Okay, so this is nothing but your clamper circuit. This is the negative clamper circuit. Okay, so see here we are having the input square waveform. So the input you can give here also, you can give any type of input, square waveform, triangular waveform, sine waveform, anything. Okay, see here during positive cycle the diode will conduct. Okay, during positive cycle the diode will conduct, at the same time the capacitor also will charge. Okay, and during positive cycle the diode will conduct and the capacitor will be charged. Okay, and so here what will happen, this will be short circuited and across your output voltage, so whatever the capacitor voltage, that will be your output voltage. See here during the interval, okay, during the interval, that is 0 to t by 2, the network will be appear, means that, see, I told no, during positive cycle the diode will be on. Okay, and the capacitor will charge the V volts. V volts is nothing but your, what is the input voltage here, the input voltage, positive voltage is V volt and negative voltage is minus V volt. So here they have not mentioned 1 2 3, just they have given V volts. Okay, during positive cycle, during positive of the input, the diode will be conductor and the capacitor will charge to the V volts. Okay, okay, so that is 0 to t by 2, the diode will be on and your uh, capacitor will be charged to V volts. And during negative of cycle, what will happen, during negative of cycle, what will happen, the diode will be open circuit. Okay, the diode will be open circuit. Okay, during negative of cycle the diode will be open circuit, and the applied voltage and the stored capacitor, what will happen, and whatever the energy which is during stored during positive of cycle, that will be discharged via resistance. Okay, via resistance, that is nothing but your output across your, see, during positive cycle the diode will be open circuit and the capacitor only will charge, and during negative cycle what will happen, your diode will be open circuit, so the previous cycle the capacitor will be charged for plus 2 volt, and the next off cycle the capacitor will be charged for minus volt, that both will be added, you will get the minus 2 volt. Okay, so this is nothing but your negative clamping. Okay, so the total swing is 0 to minus 2 volt. Okay, so these are the steps whatever I have told for analysis of the this one. Now I am going to take one problem which is related to clamping. So here positive input is 10 volt and negative input is minus 20 volt, and see here also 5 volts DC supply also given. So for the analysis period, first I am going to take T1 to T2 period. Okay, T1 to T2 period. Okay, because the diode is connected in the negative bias, so I am going to take this negative. Just for analysis purpose only I have taken here from T2 to T1 to T2 the diode is forward bias, and also because of the supply the diode will be forward bias. Okay, I'm taking the analysis from negative of cycle, that is T1 to T2. So for easy analysis only I have taken, no other reason. Okay, so now you see during negative of cycle the capacitor will be charged to minus Vc. Okay, and the diode will be forward bias. See, the capacitor will be charged towards the minus Vc and diode will be forward bias. And now during positive half cycle, during negative half cycle, the output across the load resistance is what? 5 volts. The output across the load resistance is 5 volts. So that here they are given. Okay. During the time interval of the input from T1 to T2, my output voltage is 5 volts. Okay. Now I am going to apply Kirchhoff voltage law here. See, minus, see here plus minus, so minus 20 volt. So minus plus, so plus Vc, and plus minus minus 5 volt equal to 0. And here my output voltage is already I have told it is 5 volt. Okay. Now my capacitor Vc, the capacitor, how much the capacitor will charge means the capacitor will charge 25 volts. Now I am going to take the next step, T2 minus T3. Okay, T2 minus T3. During that period, already my capacitor is charged how much voltage? 25 volt. Listen here carefully. Already my capacitor charged to 25 volt. Now during this voltage, that is positive voltage, the diode will be open circuit. So now, so no flow in this ring. Okay. So now this the input, the output you will be, so the input will be flowing in this path. Okay. So I'm going to apply Kirchhoff voltage law during time period T2 to T3, that is plus 10 volt, plus 25 volt, this is minus V0. Okay, va? So now how much it is? Plus, that is plus 10 volt, plus 25 volt, and then minus V0. You see totally how much it is? 35 volt. Okay, totally 35 volt. You see here 35 volt. Okay, during positive cycle your output voltage is 35 volt, and during negative cycle your output voltage is 5 volt. See here during positive cycle, here I am taken T1 to T2. What is my output voltage? What is my output voltage? Here I have shown during T1 to T2 my diode is short circuited. Whatever the voltage here, that will be appear across your R resistance. That is nothing but your what? 5 volt. Here I have written no, V0 is equal to what? 5 volt. During negative cycle your V0 will be 5 volt, and during positive cycle what is your total voltage? 35 volt. Okay. So now what is your output voltage? How you will draw? You see here, this is very easy analysis. Okay. Here 5 volt to 35 volt. My output voltage will swing between plus 5 volt to plus 35 volt. This is the output voltage of the given circuit. Okay. So if you are having any doubt, you please put it in the comment box and we will discuss. Okay. So this is about your clamper circuit, and I have explained some of the, this is nothing but your positive clamper circuit. The problem I have solved for the positive clamper circuit, and also theoretically I have explained one more circuit also I have explained, that is negative clamper circuit. This is positive clamper circuit. Here the signal is clamped above the ground level. The previous circuit is the signal is, see this one, this is nothing but your, see the diode. If the diode is negative is grounded, then it is what? Negative clamper circuit. Students listen here. If the diode is connected to ground, then it is negative clamper circuit. Okay. The diode is connected to ground, then it is negative clamper circuit. And if the diode is connected, if the diode, if the diode positive is connected to ground, okay, here via supply the diode is connected to ground. So means that that is positive clamper. If the diode positive is connected to ground, that is positive clamping. That is the difference between negative clamping and positive clamping. If the diode negative is connected